I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Activating an eSIM with Koodo on your iPhone can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your iPhone is compatible with eSIM. Most newer models support this feature, but it is good to verify. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Before activation, use the eSROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Open settings on your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where you will manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Select Add cellular plan and scan the QR code provided by Koodo or enter the activation code manually. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Step 5. Set default line. Once activated, set your new eSIM as the default line for calls and data. Go back to the cellular settings and choose your preferred line. Remember, if you don't see the option to add a plan, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Enjoy your new eSIM with Koodo.